In the complex world of modern warfare, controlling the sky is paramount. Nations invest billions to protect their airspace from enemy aircraft, drones, missiles. Two systems stand out in this high-stakes game: S-400 Triumph MM-104 Patriot. These are not just weapons. They are sophisticated, multi-layered defense networks. They represent the pinnacle of ground-based air defense technology, from two of the world's foremost military powers. Understanding them is key to modern military strategy, and honestly, the geopolitical tensions that come with it. Their presence can alter the balance of power in a region. The S-400 Triumph is a mobile surface-to-air missile system. It is the successor to the formidable S-300 family. The story of the Patriot system begins in the Cold War. The U.S. Army needed a replacement for its aging Nike Hercules Hawk air defense system. The goal was to create a single, advanced system. It had to be capable of engaging high-performance Soviet aircraft. Development started in the 1960s. The program was named SAM-D. It faced many technical challenges and delays. The first Patriot battalion was not activated until 1982. Its initial role was purely anti-aircraft. The threat of tactical ballistic missiles soon prompted major upgrades. The Patriot's evolution was driven by real-world needs. The growing threat of Soviet short-range ballistic missiles in Europe was a major concern. This led to the Patriot Advanced Capability, the PAC program. PAC-1 gave limited missile counter capability. The system hit the spotlight in Operation Desert Storm, 1991. Attempts to intercept Iraqi Scud missiles were televised. Results were debated, but the data was invaluable. That data pushed PAC-2 development. Later came the revolutionary PAC-3. The S-400 Triumph shares a Cold War lineage. It's a direct descendant of the Soviet S-300. The Patriot system operates as an integrated network. A typical battery includes several key components. Radar control station launchers. The heart of the system is the AN/MPQ-65 radar. This is a powerful phased array radar. It performs searching, tracking, and missile guidance functions all at once. The engagement control station is the brain. This is where human operators monitor the airspace and make engagement decisions. The launchers themselves hold the missiles. They can be located some distance from the radar and control station. An antenna mast group provides communications links between the components, allowing them to operate as a cohesive unit. When the Patriot detects a threat, the process is swift and highly automated. The AN/MPQ-65 radar scans a specific sector of the sky. If it detects a potential target, it begins tracking its course and speed. The system's computer classifies the target, determining if it is friendly or hostile. If it is hostile, the information is displayed to the operators in the engagement control station. When comparing range, the S-400 appears to have a significant advantage on paper. Russia heavily markets the system's use of the 40N6E missile. This missile is claimed to have a staggering range of up to 400 kilometers. This would allow it to target high-value assets like AWACS aircraft tankers from a great distance. Other missiles in its arsenal cover shorter ranges, from 40 to 250 kilometers. The Patriot system's longest-range interceptor is the PAC-2 GEM-T. It has a range of around 160 kilometers. The newer PAC-3 MSE has a shorter range, but it is far more agile and accurate against fast-moving ballistic missiles. Radar capability is another crucial point of comparison. Both systems use advanced phased array radars. The Patriot relies on a single, powerful AN/MPQ-65 radar to perform all functions within its sector. It is a highly capable and combat-proven radar. The S-400, however, employs a distributed system of multiple radars. It uses a main surveillance radar for early warning. Separate engagement radars guide the missiles. This architecture makes the S-400 network potentially more resilient. If one radar is jammed or destroyed, others can continue to operate. So let's take a balanced look at both systems. S-400, layered, all-in-one design, uses multiple missile types with different ranges. That gives it real tactical flexibility. One S-400 battalion can, in theory, defend a vast area against low-flying drones, high-altitude bombers, ballistic missiles. The advertised long range, especially the 40N6E missile, threatens support aircraft, air-to-air refueling tankers, AWACS planes. Its distributed radar network makes it harder to jam or disable. But many headline capabilities, like a 400 kilometers range, are manufacturer claims, not battle-proven. The system is complex and needs extensive training. Integration with non-Russian forces is difficult. Its effectiveness against stealth fighters is debated. It may detect an F-22, or an F-35 under certain conditions. Intercepting them is a far harder challenge. The list of Patriot users is long. It reads like a directory of key United States allies. The United States Army is the primary operator. Germany, Japan, Israel, Saudi Arabia, South Korea, United Arab Emirates, Poland, Romania, Sweden. For these nations, choosing the Patriot is about more than just its technical capabilities. It represents a deep strategic alignment with the United States. It guarantees interoperability with United States forces, which is crucial for coalition warfare under the American security umbrella. These countries often face specific, well-defined threats that the Patriot is designed to counter. Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, ballistic missiles, drones from Iran and its proxies. The Patriot's proven missile defense capabilities are a perfect fit for this need. South Korea, Japan, North Korea's vast arsenal of ballistic missiles. The cost of these advanced systems is immense. A single Patriot battery, which typically includes a radar, a control station, and several launchers, can cost over $1 billion. This price tag includes the missiles training and support equipment. The missiles themselves are a major expense. A single PAC-3 MSE interceptor costs several $million. This makes firing one a very expensive decision. The high cost limits the number of countries that can afford the system. It also means that even wealthy countries cannot afford to protect all their territory. They must make strategic choices about what assets are most important to defend. The Patriot system has an extensive and well-documented combat record. Its first major test was the 1991 Gulf War. Its performance there was initially hailed as a stunning success, though later analysis showed its effectiveness against Scud missiles was lower than first thought. However, the lessons learned were invaluable. They led directly to the development of the PAC-3 missile. This new hit-to-kill interceptor was designed for much higher accuracy. The system has since been deployed in the Iraq War of 2003 and has been used extensively by Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates. The future of air defense is being shaped by new and difficult challenges. Low-cost, mass-produced drones are on the rise.